So in this video, we are doing pan-fried chicken wings, and we will be coating them in breadcrumbs and eggs. This recipe was specifically chosen by my son, so this is him trying to learn how to do it. I had to do a little bit of fast forward here because he was taking forever to get this done. But I was just glad that he was having a great time doing this. So here guys, as you can see, he's almost done with the coating, and we're getting ready to get this fried up in the pan. We used coconut oil to fry this. That's what we use to fry most of our stuff. If we do decide to fry, we use coconut oil or butter. So that's me now taking over, of course, doing the frying, guys. When this stuff started to fry, it smelled so good. It smelled so good. We actually had wanted to use panko as well, together with the breadcrumbs, but we couldn't find it at the store that we went to. So now we're turning the chicken once it's browned on one side, and we're gonna make this chicken with baked potatoes, oven baked potatoes. Of course, we're not showing this in the video. This one was just for the chicken. In the future, we're gonna make more recipes for you, longer recipes maybe, or maybe just simple ones like this that you can also do at home. The chicken is done now, and we're getting it off the pan. We're gonna be ready to enjoy this for dinner. Thank you so much guys for watching, and thank you for subscribing and sharing. Bye bye.